CNC Metal Machining Grapcotooling Inc. offers a full range of CNC machining services. We've what it takes to urge our customers to CNC job done using the newest Mastercam software for advanced programming. CNC milling is often applied for metal or plastic. We work with a good range of metal and non-metal products, including steel, aluminium, chrome steel, copper, brass, and plastics. Why choose CNC machining? There are several advantages that our CNC machining services offers our customers. As an example, we provide a better level of precision, allowing us to make extremely complex parts. Since there's a digital template, CNC machining can eliminate the aspect of human errors. We will get an accuracy of as high as 1/1000th of an inch, increasing productivity with custom CNC machining. With the necessity for CNC machining in Toronto, we'll work with our clients to get models, specifications, and style parameters. Then we'll enter the knowledge into the CNC machine, where it can produce an outsized volume while allowing scalability. Whether the parts order is little or large, we'll work with our customers to make sure that the work gets done. When we use tools like CNC Aluminum Machining with our advanced design software, we will generate parts that a manual machine cannot replicate. Even a talented machinist engineer employing a conventional machine cannot compete with advanced software. Reducing labor costs. CNC machining allows us to scale back the number of individuals for production. Only one skilled operator can run several of the machines, and it takes one programmer to load the needed design specifications. By minimizing the prospect of human error, we gain a plus over the competition. No matter what texture, size, or shape our customers need, Grapcotooling Inc. can deliver. Be happy to succeed in Bentus today. For more information.